Hi guys, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today I'm gonna do a quick and easy natural nail set. So before going into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment. And now let's begin. As I told you before, in this video I'm gonna do a natural nail set. So for that I'm using this white nail tips. You can definitely use clear tips as well. It's up to you. You can use either, but I will definitely prefer these white ones more. Now before sticking these tips on your natural nails, you have to buff your nail surface so that you can remove the shiny layer from your nails, and you have to file the underneath part of your nail tip so that the nail tips and natural nails can stick perfectly and they can last longer. After buffing your nail surface and the underneath part of your nail tips, you can stick your nail tips on your natural nails. Now you have to trim and file your nails. Today I'm going with almond shape. You can go with any shape you want, but I prefer you to go with almond shape because they look more natural, and natural nails looks perfect with almond shape. But again, it's up to you. You can choose any shape you want and any size you want. Now you have to file your nail tips so that the product can stick on your tips and it can last long. The base coat I'm using today is from Eucatic. This is from their polygel kit, and today I'm gonna use their polygel as well. After applying your base coat, you have to cure your nails under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. If you don't have the Eucatic polygel, you can use this deep nude shade from Model Ones. That will also work fine, but I will highly recommend you to use the Eucatic one because they are more transparent and they give really good natural effect. For natural nails, these two are my favorites from Eucatic. One is this soft pink and second one is in skin tone, but I like to use the pink one because it gives more natural effect, and this is like more on transparent side, so it gives really good natural effect on your nails. Make sure to remember one thing: always apply really less amount of polygel whenever you want to get that natural nails effect. Amount always matters a lot when you are doing gel extension or any kind of extension, because if you apply lots and lots of polygel on your nail tip, it's gonna look really fake and that's gonna look really ugly. So make sure to apply less amount of polygel whenever you want to get that natural nail effect. After you satisfied with your nails, you have to cure your nails under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. My nails are 90% done. Now I have to file my nails again to get that sharp nail. Now if you want to go with matte nails, you can leave them like this, or you can apply matte top coat, which is really important. I personally like to go with glossy nails, so that's why I'm going to apply glossy top coat, but it's up to you again. Done. They look super cute and natural. Hope you also enjoy this video like I did. Make sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and make sure to share this video, comment on this video, and take care. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.